Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong new moon in Gemini. Ayan. Na mangyayari ngayong June 6, 2024 at 8:37 p.m. Philippine time. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So, maaari itong mag-resonate sa Aries sun or moon, but mas accurate to sa mga Aries rising, okay? So alam naman natin ang new moon is about new beginnings, new opportunities, new experiences. So itong new moon is going to happen in your third house of communication, your thoughts, social media, short distance travel. So ang daming pwedeng mangyari ngayon para sa inyo, Aries. Especially that Mercury is also in your third house, which is in Gemini, na very comfortable ang energy ng Mercury dyan. It's a time for you to learn something new. It's about studying something na interesado ka. And third house is also about mga social media. So pwedeng meron kang mga bagong matututunan sa social media, like social media marketing, or may opportunities ka for work sa social media. Can be a content creator, you will start your YouTube channel, your TikTok channel, ganyan. Meron tayong concentration ng mga planets and luminaries sa Gemini. Ibig sabihin nun, mas malakas yung energies niyan. Can be overwhelming para sa iba, no? Dahil meron tayong stellium, maraming planets. So you have Mercury in your third house. So talagang medyo magiging busy yung isip nyo ngayon. Okay? Marami kayong mga ideas. Can be overwhelming to the point na baka meron kang mga bagay na hindi mo masimulan kasi sa kaka-overthink mo. Let's say for example, yung isang computer, no? Nag-open ka ng maraming tabs, ang daming task na ginagawa ng computer mo. Nalilito rin siya, no? Kaya nga naghahang yan, nag-freeze. So, maaring ganon. So, that's why you have to collect your thoughts, your energies, para lahat yan ma-process mo. Okay? Kasi parang some of you are excited to learn something, pwedeng sabay-sabay, pinag-aaralan mo, maghahalo-halo sa isip mo yan. Not unless kaya mong i-manage yung information overload. You have Jupiter also in your third house, which is the planet of expansion, higher learning. So I think ngayon, mas magiging interesado ka sa mga, yung mga, let's say, religious stuff, no? Maaring merong nagbabago na belief system sa'yo, or meron kang wini-welcome na bagong belief system. This is also connected rin sa yung spirituality, like you want to learn more about this form of divination. So maaring magiging interesado ka sa tarot or sa astrology, sa theology, or any religion din, no? Pwedeng may ganon. Meron sa yung may introduce na belief system na kung saan nakaka-resonate ka. Okay? And you want to dive deeply, no? Gusto mong mas matutunan pa yon. Some of you, meron din kayong opportunity for travel, no? Pwedeng you will travel for leisure, no? Can be local or international travels for some of you. Dahil sa gusto mong matutunan. Let's say, magta-travel ka papuntang, you are from a province and then you will go to Manila para umattend ng seminar, ng class, no? For something that you are interested in. Things like that. And the third house is also about your siblings. So, maaring there's going to be a communication with your sibling right now. You might be reaching out with your sibling, lalo na kung hindi na kayo mas nag-uusap, or for some reasons, nag-drift apart kayo, you grew apart, may kanya-kanya na kayong buhay. So, maaring magbabonding kayo ngayon, or meron kayong i-work out, ayusin sa inyong relationship. Maari ring may mga bago kayong kapitbahay. You will gain new friends, connections na, you will jive or kumbaga you will resonate with yung mga friends mo na yan. Okay? So, meron tayong Cazimi. This is Venus Cazimi. Pare-pareho sila ng degrees. No? Itong Moon, Sun, and Venus are all in 16 degrees sa panahon ng new moon na yan. So Venus is the planet of love, the planet of opportunities, the planet of beauty. So I think you will also take care of your health, no? Yung iyong physical self. You will engage more with yung mga glow up na activities or yung iba magpapa-enhance ng inyong physical appearance or iba naman you will focus on your health as well. Gusto niyo mas maging maayos ang inyong kalusugan rin. Yung iba, you might get into a business na related sa health and beauty, skincare, ganyan, wellness. So you will also have a chance to earn money from that, okay, from your influence. So, let's see what else. What do we have for Aries? Ngayong new moon in Gemini. See, ito yung sinasabi ko sa information overload na masyado kang maraming gustong gawin na tambak sa isip mo. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung uunahin mo. So, kumbaga, dito na papasok yung time management. Kumbaga, one at a time. Mahirap pagsabay-sabayin. You have the Empress, so this is the energy ng Venus. So Empress is about abundance, your creativity. So I think you're going to be more creative, taking care of yourself, practicing self-love, self-care. Possible rin, meron ditong bagong creative projects wherein sobra kang excited at ang dami mong ideas. So, alam nyo, isa sa way para mailabas mo yung ideas na yan is to write it down. Okay? Yung iba, hindi sila sanay sa computer or sa kung saan kayong medium na mas komportable. Yung iba, nilalagay sa notepad nila sa phone nila, sa notes nila or sa computer or yung iba sa journal. Write it down. Okay? Para hindi nyo nakakalimutan. And from there, itatrack nyo kung nasa na kayo. Ano na yung nangyari dun sa iniisip nyo na yun. Nag-take action na ba kayo? Diba? Wow, you have the Star. You are healing. I feel like meron kang i-heal na relationship connection with a sibling. Kasi the third house is about your relationship with a sibling or extended family. Kapatid mo, or tito, tita mo, uncle, auntie, or pinsan mo, ganyan, or kapitbahay mo. This is also about your goals, your dreams. I feel like mas ka ngayon, mas focus ka na ma-achieve mo yung goals and dreams mo. Yun nga lang, maaring may mga pagsasabay-sabayin kang trabaho. Pwedeng nakakapagod, no? Mentally draining for some of you, Aries. But I think this is going to be worth it. You have the Tower. So, meron kang i-let go. Meron kang i-release that is no longer serving your highest good. Kasi pwedeng, ito yung pagtatanggal ng mga bagay na unnecessary na sa buhay mo to give way to something new. For example, magde-declutter ka. Yung mga bagay sa bahay mo na hindi mo na kailangan, kasi it's just taking up space na pwede mong ibenta at pwedeng maging pera pa yon or to donate, nakatulong ka pa sa iba, no? Para may bagong opportunities. Ayan, no? May mga parating sa'yo. Communications, new opportunities, blessings. Wow, there is also wish fulfillment para sa inyo. Meron kayong wish na matutupad. You have the Star and the Nine of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be going out more often, socializing, meeting new people. Oo, yung sa mga extroverted dyan, so may enjoy nyo yan. But if you're someone na introvert, subukan yung lumabas-labas kasi you'll never know, the opportunities might come. Emotions are running high. Ayan. So, ito lang yung mga kailangan yung i-manage sa sarili ninyo na you get too emotional, lalo na pag masyadong marami kang task na gagawin. Detoxify, full moon in Taurus. Release those negative energies, ground yourself, gumawa ka rin ng mga bagay na makakapagpa-release ng nega energy sa'yo, relax, no? Rejuvenate, renew. Confidence is your key to success, Aries. Hanggat confident ka sa sarili mo, sa ginagawa mo, naniniwala ka sa kakayanan mo, you are going to be successful. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye!